Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to unbox, set up and review the Biggerfive Brave 2 Kids smartwatch. Hopefully this video will give you all the details you need about this product. Inside the box you'll find the watch, a USB charging cable, a quick start guide and information about the app. Now let's have a look at the watch. It features a 1.8-inch high-definition touchscreen and is available in 4 colours: black, blue, lilac and pink. This version is black. The straps are made of soft silicone material designed to fit small children comfortably. The watch is suitable for kids aged 5 to 16, though it's recommended for older children. It's also IP68 waterproof, making it perfect for water activities. To charge the watch, attach the magnetic end of the cable to the watch. Plug the other end into a USB charger. The watch has a great battery life lasting several days depending on usage. Now let's set up the watch. To turn on the watch, press the side button. This watch operates in 2 modes: standalone mode to use the watch without an app, and app mode which works by pairing it with the Biggerfive app on your phone for additional features. Let's set it up as a standalone watch, so tap on the arrow, select the language, select the unit system, input the gender, age, height, weight, year, day and month, time format, time, and all done. Now let's explore its features. While on the home screen, press the side button to access the menu. Here's what you'll find: Activity, which shows steps, calories burnt, distance covered during the day, among other stats. Workout. This watch supports various sports modes including running, walking, cycling, swimming, dance, among others. To start an activity, select one from the list and tap on it. A countdown will begin and the activity will start. During the activity, you can track exercise duration, calories burnt, distance, steps per minute, among other stats. To stop the activity, swipe right and tap the X button. After workout, you have workout records, heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep, clock, games. Here you have 5 built-in games for children to enjoy. Finally, you have settings. Also from the home screen, you can swipe up, down, right, and left to access additional features. Now to change the watch face, tap and hold the home screen. Then swipe left or right to browse watch face designs. Tap your favorite to set it as the new watch face. To unlock additional features for your Biggerfive smartwatch, connect it to the Biggerfive app. If you're unsure how to connect, check out the video linked in the card above. Once your watch is connected, here's a walkthrough of the features you can explore. On the app's homepage, you'll find key health metrics at a glance: steps, calories burnt, training statistics, sleep data, heart rate, weight tracking. Tap on Training at the bottom of the screen. From here, you can start an activity using your phone with options for walking, running, or biking. Although you can start activities directly from your watch, starting them via the app is required if you want to track your route. This is because the app uses your phone's GPS to map your activity. Go to Device and tap on your watch. Scroll up and tap More next to Watch Face Market. Select a new watch face from the list. Optionally, upload a photo from your phone to use as a custom watch face. Now go back. Tap on Health Monitoring and explore the following features: heart rate monitoring to enable or disable continuous heart rate measurement. You also have automatic blood oxygen measurement, set up drinking reminders, hand washing reminder, walk around reminder, and science sleep mode. This feature monitors your sleep and breathing quality in real time. Now go back. Alarm clock will enable you to set alarms directly through the app. Enable notifications for incoming calls on your watch. With these features, your Biggerfive smartwatch and app work together to provide a comprehensive health and fitness experience. Overall, the Biggerfive Brave 2 Kids smartwatch is a fun and practical gadget for kids. It's stylish, easy to set up, and packed with features that promote physical activity. For families concerned about data privacy, the option to use the watch in standalone mode is a great benefit. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.